Okay, so for the first center, you're going to need the dinosaur cards. Now, if you listen closely, I'm not going to make you do 13 through 18. I'm only going to give you 1 through 12 to work on. So you're going to pick a card. For example, number 13 I have was a pink dinosaur, and it says to write 2 adjectives to describe the dinosaur on each of those cards. So that dinosaur was pink, so I'm going to write the word pink on number 13. And that dinosaur was also pretty big, so I'm going to put big. Now, each card says the same thing, so that shouldn't be an issue. The next thing you're going to do is read the story 3 times, and maybe you could circle the bike each time you read it. And then it says to read the story a second time and draw a circle or box around all the I'd or Ike words. Then you need to answer all 7 of these questions. Now this number 7 says to write a sentence using an I'd or Ike word from the story. Lastly, you are just going to practice writing your sight words nice and neat. So in the first one, you're just reading it, and then you're going to spell it. So I'm going to do the first one with you, A. And then it says to write it. Now, the special thing about writing is they give you handwriting lines. So make sure that you write your A below that dotted line because it is lowercase. And make sure that it touches that bottom line there. That's better.